Bakit iba ang mindset ng mga negosyante? Answer, kasi po meron silang financial intelligence. As a result, meron silang rich mindset, success mindset, and positive mindset. Yes, friends, iba po yung level of thinking ng mga negosyante. Malayong malayo sa mga employees. Opo, I can relate with that, friends. And good news po, if you are interested lang po sa business and gusto ka magkaroon ng financial intelligence, that level of thinking and mindset, acquirable yan po. Makukuha po yan over time or over experience po. If business owner na po tayo. Points to ponder, friends. Thank you for watching. 2 thumbs up.